heights when it comes to protecting and enhancing your home.
Yeah, so from the foundation to the sky, the roof stands as the ultimate shield against the elements.
Yes, now that is why we have Rob Pettigan. Did I say that right?
Yeah, Petkin, close.
We had a conversation about his last
That's
name.
right, that's right.
It's a thing. Now, in from Wardner Home Improvement to share how their roofing business can not only take care of your roof, but your windows and bathrooms and more for a complete makeover. Welcome, Rob.
You're welcome.
Well, thanks for having us.
We're happy to have you here.
Yeah.
So you guys are known for your roofing, but you expanded into those areas that we just mentioned. What are customers requesting the most?
So there's a couple of things in our business. Roofing is always one thing that people are in the market for, whether it's because they have to, there's leaks and things like that that are happening, or just to enhance their home. But another area of our business that's growing like crazy is the bath business.
Yeah.
As people are looking to stay in place in their homes or convert showers to tubs, things like that. We've really seen a lot of demand for that over the past few years.
Yeah.
Now, you guys are so good that you won an award, a prestigious award. Tell us about that.
We did win an award from a nationwide, worldwide manufacturer, Owens Corning, and we are a platinum preferred contractor.
Wow.
Which that designation is only given to 3% of the contractors in the nation.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's huge.
And so then within that group, we won an award for excellence in using their product to build roofing systems for our customers. And so it was just a point to the quality mindedness we have and for our customers and being focused on the details.
High five.
Yeah, high five too.
Yes.
That's right. You need two high fives for that. Now, you mentioned a little bit, talked a little bit about the bathroom remodeling that you all do. Let's dive in a little bit more. What do you specialize in when it comes to your bathroom remodeling?
So specialization for us comes in taking showers, and we'll convert them to tubs if someone needs that for accessibility. A lot of times we'll take those tubs that you have to stand in to take a shower and they're so inconvenient stepping over and so forth, and we'll convert those to larger showers, maybe with bench seats within them and some amenities that just help update the space.
Yeah.
I'm
Really makes it,
curious.
look at this. This is really nice too.
Yeah, I'm curious as to why you guys are so passionate to dominate the marketplace in these areas. I mean, you guys really are dominating.
Well, our passion really comes from servicing our customers. So our company is built on a purpose of being relationships focused and results driven. And the whole idea behind that is so many times customers in the home improvement space will say one of two things. They'll say, hey, I got a really good product, but it was a real painful process to get there.
Yeah.
Or I got sold something and then what I got is not near what I expected.
Oh.
So we believe as a company, if we can be relationships focused and set really good expectations and create good solutions for people, and then deliver on the craftsmanship side of it, relationships focused and results driven, that becomes our purpose.
Yeah, and it's all about the experience too, having that relationship with your customers and knowing exactly what they need. You're better able to create those solutions for them.
Yeah, we're coming into their home,
Yeah.
right? So there's no such thing as a job site in our business. We're going to disrupt your day-to-day lifestyle, and in order to enhance it, it first has to get dirty,
Yeah,
right?
that's true.
And things are torn out and so forth. So we just have to be really focused on just the human side of what we do.
Yeah, that's really good. Okay,
Now,
so
you guys have a special that you're giving to Fox 4 viewers only for today, right?
Right.
So tell us about that special.
Okay. So for our Fox 4 Great Day KC viewers, we've come up with a roof tune-up special. So this is available today until 5 o'clock. But
Until 5. You guys extended it.
we're going to extend it.
Okay,
because
breaking news. It's being extended because they said 12.
we did say 12 with people watching it streaming and so forth. Our idea is let's extend this out for the day, but normally it's a $350 value. So one of our craftsmen come out, they take a look at the roof, they look at all of the details, look for any problems. They also do sealing of any dissimilar things, so chimneys, pipes coming out of the roof, so forth. We're looking for any obvious problems within that. And then we can provide a report and say, this is what we see, these are the other things that need attention, or you're in great shape and this is the longevity you should expect.
Awesome.
right,
Sounds
that's
like a great deal.
Yeah, really great deal.
So we're
Okay.
taking, I didn't finish that. So what we're doing on the offer, we're taking 50% off of that.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, so it's a
awesome.
$350 value, but for our Great Day KC viewers, call in today. We'll take 50% off of that. and just to show our gratitude for being on here and telling you a little bit about us.
Awesome. Thank you so
thank
much,
you so
Rob.
much.
Now, you heard it. Get your Bordner home improvement special today for a roof tune-up for only $175, which it includes everything that he just said, and an inspection, you know, some minor repairs, and so much more. So call before 5 p.m. today, not noon. So that number is listed on your screen.